I can't believe the dollar is now 10 Ghana cedis and it might be getting worse. And this is what you need to do if you are an investor or you have a USD investment. Make sure to stick to the end of this video because I got a lot of things to talk about. In my previous video, I talked about why the Ghanaian cedis is appreciating against the dollar. If you haven't watched that, make sure to check the link in the description below or go to my YouTube channel for the full video. So since the Ghana cedi started appreciating against the dollar, if you had investment in USD from January, I think you have lost about 25% of your investment. 4 to 5 months ago, your $10,000 would have been $160,000 to $170,000. This is a massive loss. 25% of your money is gone. There were a lot of people asking me questions like, what should I do? The dollar is going down. The dollar might be going to 9 cedis single number and so on. Should I sell my stocks and buy more cedis, or I should keep on buying more stocks in USD? This video is here to let you understand some of the things you need to do. This is not a financial advice. The first question you need to ask yourself is, are you investing in the US dollar for global diversification, or you're just investing for local purchase? Or are you investing to hedge against inflation? These are things you need to know if you want to sell your USD or you want to convert all your money into Ghana cedis and later convert it back to USD. So if you are thinking about the future and you think like maybe you're going to use your USD for, in the future, or you're going to be buying things online one day, or you're going to spend most of your money in dollars. You are saving for, let's say, to buy a car in the future. Let's say your dream car is, let's say, $20,000, or you want to buy a house which is around, let's say, $200,000, $100,000, then I think holding USD is important. You don't need to sell your stocks, or you don't need to sell your USD for the Ghana cedis. If your goal is to spend more of Ghana cedis, I think you should shift more to Ghana-based assets. You should shift more of Ghana-based investments. And if you have a business that you are doing and you need more Ghana cedis than the dollar, if your focus is not spending your money in dollars, then I think you should also think about shifting most of your money in Ghana cedis. You don't need to change all your money in dollars if your focus is more on Ghana-based assets, or you are buying more things in Ghana cedis instead of USD. The second thing you need to also look into is to reassess your currency exposure. Will the Ghana cedi be stronger always? Is it going to always hedge against the dollar, or is the dollar going to overtake it one day? If the cedi strengthens more, it's going to hold your USD investment. So you need to reassess your currency exposure. Is the Ghana cedi always going to hedge against the dollar? Is this performance that we are seeing now going to sustain? Is it going to be a long term? Is it going to be a short term? All these things are some of the things that you need to consider before you sell your USD denominated asset into Ghana cedis. You don't have to just jump into conclusion and start selling your USD wallet. Investor sentiment, government policies are all part of what is causing the cedi strength. Government continues to do what they are doing. If their policies, monetary policies and things that they are taking keeps on doing better, it's going to affect your USD equivalent in the short term. We need to also look at a long-term thing, not just a short term. If the Ghana cedi is still going to keep its strength, then you have to diversify your portfolio. You need to diversify your portfolio, not just putting all your money into a USD asset. Since I started talking about investing in the US stock market, I also talk a lot about the Ghana stock market. You don't need to put all your eggs in one basket. You have to diversify your portfolio. I talk about investing in the Ghana stock market. I talk about investing in mutual funds. I talk about investing in treasury bills and even bonds. My current portfolio has more USD than the Ghanaian cedis, right? Even though it's affecting me more on the USD side, but I do not panic. I'm not worried that much because I have about 40% of my investment in the Ghana cedis. So I'm still keeping my dollar whilst I also shift more, maybe move about 10% of my USD into my Ghana investments so that it can balance my portfolio. So as I said, the best time for you to convert your money if you are not going to invest in the long term, this is the time to, convert your money into the Ghana cedis. We all wish that the Ghana cedi strengthens against the dollar. We don't pray that the dollar goes up higher, but the dollar is always going to be, a worldwide currency that we hold. If you want to hedge against currency depreciation one day, especially with inflation, you still want to hold your money. Most of the imports that we have in here is in dollars. No matter what we do, we are going to still use USD to buy things from outside. The next thing you need to do is to keep updated on the macroeconomic trends and news. That is why you are following me here. This channel is going to keep you updated to economic news, business news, financial news, and updates, anything that happens into the business aspect and the finance aspects. We are going to talk about it here. I have a lot of things coming up on trending economic news in Ghana and the world. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video and follow me here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. And don't forget to share it with friends who also needs to hear this. See you in my next video.